Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about braking strategies for driving. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to press the brake pedal properly with these easy driving instructions. Once again, the topic of this video is the following. I'll be talking to you about braking strategies for driving, and I'll be showing you specifically and telling you how to press the brake pedal properly and easily in these simplistic driving instructions. So if you want to know how to press the brake pedal properly with driving instructions, this is a video for you because I'll be going over braking strategies for driving one last time, just because I promised myself I would not do any retakes today. The topic of this video, I'm not going to redo this video. I'm just going to say the topic again. I'm sorry for saying it one more time, but I'm just going to say it just so you know what you're getting into. And I'll be showing you, not just telling, I'll be showing you my brake pedal in a moment. So I'll specifically be going over the process for the following topic. The topic is braking strategies for driving, and I'll be showing you and telling you how to press the brake pedal properly, the right way, with driving instructions for beginners. Now, whether you're a beginner or you're an expert, you could probably benefit from watching this because everyone can improve their driving skills, even myself. Sorry about the minute and almost minute and a half long intro. I do apologize, but I'm doing a lot of videos today, and sometimes my mind, after I filmed 15 videos straight, my mind is like, which video am I doing? I need to really reiterate it. Anyways, so I'll tell you how to do it. Then I'll show you with my brake pedal momentarily. I'm not going to be driving while I'm doing this. I'm literally parked in my driveway. Am I getting a oh no, that's just the mailman. He's parked over there. I just saw him walking. I didn't know if I was getting a package. Anyways, essentially, yeah, I'm gonna tell you and then I'll show you. So the first thing, the most important thing is to start with estimating the braking distance. So you want to start with estimating the braking distance. Estimating the braking distance is what you need to start with because it's super important. You can't know how much you need to brake until you've estimated when you need to stop by or when you need to slow down by. So start with estimating your braking distance. That's literally probably the most important thing that you can do, and it's the biggest thing when it comes to braking properly. Okay, and it's the biggest braking strategy that you can learn and do well with regards to being a good driver. Okay, once you've estimated your braking distance properly, number two is you want to move off the gas pedal to the brake pedal. I'm assuming that if you're braking, right, you're on the gas pedal, you're moving. So you're going to move off the gas pedal to the brake pedal. Give yourself some time. Don't rush. And if you have to rush to slam your brakes, do it. But try to estimate your braking distance so that you don't have to rush to move off the gas pedal onto the brake pedal too fast, right? So, give yourself enough time to move off gradually and slowly, okay? Number three is to ease into the brake pedal. So press the brake pedal and ease into the brake pedal. Gradually press it, okay? Number four is press that brake pedal until a certain point. Okay, and I'll tell you why you want to do that. I call the rest of it the just in case zone. Okay, I just made that up literally before I started filming this video. Essentially, you want to press the brake pedal until a certain point, and you want to be able to stop the car while you're only pressing the brake pedal, a portion of what you can press it. If you got to slam your brake pedal, obviously the person in front of you slammed their brakes and you probably braked too late. You didn't estimate your braking distance properly. You weren't paying attention, whatever the case was. Okay, so stop pressing the brake pedal at a certain point, assuming you're going to brake on time. If you got to press it more, press it more. You don't want to get into an accident, but hopefully you can stop at a certain point, okay? And last but not least, number five, the fifth aspect is to try not to dig deeper unless you have to. If you have to dig deeper into the brake pedal, like if you have to dig deeper as in push it further down, if you got to push the brake pedal further down, then push the brake pedal further down. But you want to leave a lot of space in the just in case zone, just in case you need to use it. So I'm going to take my camera off and I'll show you my brake pedal down here. So just give me a moment. I'm going to try and get rid of the glare of what I can see. There we go. So here's my brake pedal. So essentially, the first thing is start with estimating the braking distance. You want to know how much, essentially you want to be able to estimate how much you need to press that brake pedal. Okay, and when you need to start pressing it, okay, and when you know that, you can move on to number two, which is to move off the gas onto the brake. So let's say I'm pressing the gas pedal, I'm driving, right? I know I need to brake soon. I'm going to essentially release the gas pedal, and I'm going to move on to the brake. And you can see most of the movement is done with the front of the foot. Very little heel movement is done. All right, it's a lot of it is rotating the foot and a little bit of heel movement. So you're going to move on to the brake. That's number two. Number three is to ease into the brake pedal. So when I'm braking, normally I'd probably brake like that much, right? So I'd be easing into it like that. And then number four is press it until, I don't know if I didn't order these numbers, so I don't know if the number is incorrect when I'm saying, but this is the proper order. Number four, I believe it's number four, is going to be to press it until a certain point, okay? And essentially you want to press it, you know, gently and be able to stop when you're only pressing it like that much, let's say. And obviously number 5 is try not to have to dig deeper unless you have to. Obviously if I have to press it more, I will press it more, but I call this the just in case zone. Look at all that. That's all of this is the just in case zone. Hopefully I can stop by pressing it only that much, but if I gotta go like that, I have it. You never want to have to press your brake down that much to stop, because then look, your just in case zone is only a little bit. You only have a little bit left, okay? So essentially, estimate your braking distance, move off from the gas onto the brake pedal, okay? Ease into the brake pedal. Okay, you're gonna stop pressing that brake pedal at a certain point, and then don't, you know, try not to have to dig deeper into the brake pedal unless you have to. You want to leave a big amount of the just in case zone. And that's essentially it. Those are some braking strategies for driving with regards to how to press the brake pedal properly and the right way in a simple set of driving instructions for beginners, or driving tutorial for beginners. Now, like I said, I'm sorry for the long intro, but I tried to keep the rest of the video like straight to the point. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video tutorial, this driving instructional video tutorial, whatever you want to call it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Drop a comment down below to let me know what you think. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more fantastic videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.